Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your transaction number on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your transaction number so that you can use it as reference. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you first need to do is sign up with Cash App. And if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you send your first payment, you'll receive $5 for free. So if you open up Cash App, then on the bottom right hand corner, click on the clock icon. Next, what you want to do here is that you want to find the transaction that you want to go ahead and get the confirmation ID from. So let's click on this transaction from Johnny Appleseed. Go ahead and scroll down. And then right now we have the transaction number that's blurred, but you should see that there has been no fees applied, that you should see your transaction number. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your transaction number on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next